NT100L stacked battery offline inspection equipment for stacked battery positive and negative electrode stack size, stack deviation, and other small defects of the data detection. Can be detected at high speed, automatically determine the positive and negative alignment and maximum and minimum values. Modular design, strong expandability, automatic detection, automatic judgment, real-time online display of images and data, multiple parts of the same battery detection pictures and data, displayed in the same software interface, easy to observe and identify. Can be expanded and customized according to customer requirements. NT100L testing equipment. Radiation isolation using steel plus lead plus steel protective structures. Compliance with international safety standards for radiation.